Hello everyone. Today we are near McLeod Falls, Fowler's Campground. And there's a beautiful walk here. We're going to be doing this walk as a walking meditation. I can't take you on this walk as this is going to be a very long video of about 2.5 hours. However, I would like to inspire you today by looking at this wondrous nature and remind you that you can all do this type of meditation. We don't always need to be sitting down and be quiet and just have specific music. You have to get outside in nature, ground your feet on the ground, right? This is really important. You have chakras in your feet that need to be activated. And the best way to activate them is to actually use them while you're walking. Now, for those of you who have Reiki or energy, think of this energy being coming in from the universe and walking down into your body, into your legs, and into your chakras. And what I want you to do when you do a walking meditation, now you're not going to be walking like this, right? It's a walking meditation, so you have to be relaxed. Each of your steps matter and they count. So, each time you put your feet on the ground, I want you to imagine depositing a drop of liquid light. You're giving back to Mother Earth some of the energy from Creator, right? You're purposely sharing with Mother Earth. And so this meditation will help you stay more connected. While you're walking in silence, it means no Walkman, no iPods, no music, no nothing. Try to be with nature and see what comes up. Already this morning we've seen deers, we've seen dogs, we've seen chipmunks, and that's just getting ready for this walk. If you're quiet and if you're in silence, you'll be amazed on how much life is surrounding you and actually pops up all around you. So appreciate these special moments with nature and try to practice this. Your walk in silence can be done with friends. You don't have to do this alone. Dedicate a short part of your walk if you this is a social thing for you. Dedicate 15, 20, 30 minutes to your silent walking meditation. And then share what actually came up during that time with your friends. And this is a walking meditation.